Hi all, Neci Love Harmon here of What She Created Enterprise. And today we will be adding the bobbin thread into the Brother FB1757T sewing machine. So let's get started. First, you need a wound and properly thread bobbin. So check out one of my previous tutorials on how to complete this task. And we're going to add this to the machine. Now, the top thread or the spool thread has been threaded already. So check out a previous tutorial on how we did that. And we're going to add it into the bobbin area so we can start sewing. So let's go. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is take off the bobbin cover plate here. So we're going to push that out and put that to the side so we don't lose it. All right, next thing that we need to do is look at the bobbin case. This is where the bobbin's going to be housed. Now, it does have a diagram here that shows you the correct way because this is a very specific task in order to thread the machine. If you put it in backwards, it's not going to work. So we take the thread and make sure that it's coming off of the left side of the bobbin. All right, not the right side, but the left side. And that little thing will cause so much trouble. After that, we're going to place it through the tension alignment lever and then push it to the left. Tension alignment lever is here. So I'm going to turn my light on. And there is a metal piece here that has a slit through the middle. Okay, so we'll be utilizing that today. Place that in here. We're going to take the thread. I'm going to put an index finger on the bobbin to hold it in place. So we're going to take this, place it through the center of that tension alignment dial, and then click it to the left like that. And so now it's inside of the machine. Okay. After we do that, we put it through here and let the bobbin cutter cut it like that. Okay, and now we are ready to actually start sewing. I'm going to put my bobbin cover plate back on. And for this machine, you don't have to take the thread and attach the bobbin in any other type of way. This is all you have to do. It makes it one step easier to start sewing. And then we just take our material and get it. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like our videos. Give us video ideas. Hit that super thanks. Check us out on our socials, as well as we have online courses that are here, as well as digital patterns and other merchandise. So thank you for watching this tutorial and happy sewing.